today we're gonna do the twins telepathy challenge. So we are like totally twins, and we thought this would be perfect to do on our channel because it's so viral right now and get lots and lots of views. So yeah.
Actually, we're not really twins.
No, we're twins. We're twins. We're super twins. We're like the ultimate twins. So make sure you click that like button and subscribe. What you need to do is you need to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Person who wins it gets to choose one of these, while the other person is blindfolded. Rock, paper. Oh, round one, glue. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Can you see anything?
No.
Can you see this?
See what?
Can you see this? You see? Comment down below which glue I should choose. So we got the red glitter, we got the purple glitter. I feel like it'll be really predictable. Turn around. I feel like it'd be really predictable if I chose this one. You know? So I feel like I should choose this one. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay. All right, Shalom, you can take off your blindfold. Take it off. Which one do you think I chose?
I think I chose the purple one.
What?
I just had a feeling, guys.
You're cheating.
No, I'm not.
The person with the blindfold gets a point if they get it right. But the person without the blindfold gets a point if they get it wrong. So basically, Shalom gets a point, blah, blah. We're gonna move on because we're gonna... Okay, so we're gonna do purple glitter glue.
Squeeze. Ooh la la.
Okay, I don't want to squeeze it in. Stop it. I wish we had more glue.
All right, guys, so we have...
I have my slime, and it looks so pretty in purple.
Yes.
Now, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors again. And we're going to see the next section, the next round.
The next round is glitter.
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 Like me, I'm a star.
Wait, where's the glitter? All right, guys, so here's the types of glitter that we have. We have... Okay, you done there?
Yeah, I'm not.
The yellow glitter, silver, blue glitter, red glitter.
All right, so rock, paper, scissors, shoot. And we're going to see who's going to choose it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Loser! All right, put your blindfold on. Two headbands. Okay, sorry, that'd be really hard to remember. Comment down below which glitter I should choose, guys. Okay, I feel like this is too predictable. So, could go with this one. Yeah, okay, yeah.
See, or yeah?
I really do not like that color. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Stay there.
Oh my god. Hey guys.
Hey, no.
It's blindfold girl. Back at it again with the blindfold.
Okay,
Because
I'm done. Alright, guess which one I chose or didn't choose. Which one did I choose?
Either chose red or silver. I'm going to choose red.
Nope, I chose blue. So that means that I get a point, people. In fact, I said that this color was ugly. You really don't know me. Are we really twins, guys? Comment down below if we're really twins.
We're not really twins.
No, we're twins, but
We're not really twins.
Sprinkle. Ooh la la.
I mean, you can barely see it, but like...
It's there.
Bless you. Did I just die?
Okay, so the next challenge we're gonna do is food
Food
dye. You go get it. Sinead, you go entertain the camera.
Oh. Want to hear a joke?
Nope, they do not. I'm here
Oh.
already. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, yes! I knew she was gonna do that!
Time
You cheated.
I did not cheat.
Play that back by 50 times. Okay, slow it down. You'll see. Oh! She did rock first and then did paper.
Alright guys, so Sinead is now blindfolded and I'm gonna choose the food dye and she's gonna have to guess it after I'm done. Comment down below on which dye I should use. I'm debating, I don't like this color, so I'm debating to... Turn around. All the way. Okay, so I'm either choosing, I'm deciding between this color and this color. I don't know, I feel like this color will go, I feel like this color will go good with it. So I'm going to decide on this color. All right, you can open your eyes.
Oh, okay. Well, because obviously we're twins, and we know everything about each other,
Right.
including our deepest, darkest secrets, I think that she chose blue.
Wrong, I chose this one.
Why was that my first thought in my head? This is a boring color to choose, by the way, you know? I mean, considering it doesn't even go with the color scheme, you know? It's obviously a purple-blue color scheme. This is kind of nice. I mean, not that you chose nicely, but I mean, like, kind of goes in my lip gloss.
Now we're gonna put some syrup inside to make it smell good.
Yeah, so this one is mango, this one's watermelon, and this one's peach.
Our fingers ready, our hands.
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Gotta intimidate the enemy. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I'll call rematch.
What?
You were about to cheat. Rock, paper, scissors. I call rematch.
I thought you were about to scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes! You see, this is what happens when you play fair, kids. Play fair.
Whatever.
Okay, guys, before I choose one, comment down below which one you think I should choose. Mango, watermelon, or peach smell. So it'll make our slime smell really, really, really good.
Just my personal reference, I think watermelon would really go well with it, you know. I don't know,
So
I'm a watermelon person.
Flavors. Ooh la la.
Don't do it. Don't. Good choice.
Judging by Shasha's gas, you already put it in. Am I right?
Hey.
Am I right?
Turn around. All right, turn around. No, I didn't pour it in. You should just choose.
If you chose, I'm gonna be mad because it's the ugly one. I think you chose this one.
You cheated.
No, I didn't.
You turned around and cheated.
No, I didn't.
You know what the thing is? I wanted to put mango in it, but I was like, she's gonna choose that one. I'm mad. This
smells good.
This smells gross.
I can almost eat it, but I won't because it's not edible. I got my lip.
Okay, next round, last final round. Sprinkles. I'll entertain them while you go get it. Okay. Now I'm gonna tell my joke now.
Oh yeah?
Once upon a time.
I got it. Okay, guys, so we have red. Oh, that's not red. What are we talking about? White, blue, green.
Onyx wants to know her joke.
Thank you. Once upon a time, there was a glitter fairy princess. And she said, knock, knock. Knock, knock.
Answer, cameraman.
You have to answer, guys, with me. Knock, knock. Glitter fairy princess. The glitter. Ready? Yes. Rock, paper, scissors. Rematch for cheating.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You have anger issues.
Don't you dare.
Comment down below on which sprinkles I should use. Okay, guys? I'll choose this color.
Alright.
Look.
Okay. You chose this color. You cheated! I didn't cheat.
Are you sure?
Positive, I didn't cheat. I didn't cheat.
You didn't cheat?
I did not cheat.
You didn't cheat?
I didn't cheat.
You
I didn't cheat. I didn't. I did. I didn't.
You did.
I didn't. I didn't. No, I said I didn't. I want a point. I got a point, guys.
No, this is good.
Here's mine, guys. My sad sight because she didn't even choose the pink one.
Alright, in all honesty,
mad.
Shane.
You're not my twin anymore.
Alright, good. Ah, this did not work.
No, mine's gonna work. I'm gonna make it work.
You just said it didn't work.
I did say it's gonna work, but I'm gonna make it work. You ruined it.
Thanks for watching this video, guys.
Make sure to give this video a like down below and subscribe. Ew, I got it already! Comment down below who you think should have won.
Alright, bye. Bye.
What?
Onyx Hello is available on iTunes and Spotify now. Introducing the brand new Onyx Kids book! In this book series, Shiloh and his friends have started middle school, and what starts out as an uneventful day quickly spirals into the first of many mysteries and adventures to come. In book 2, they try to crack the case of the class pet fraud. To get the book, go to Amazon.com, search Onyx Kids School Days, and that's it! Onyx Kids School Days. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Here's a quick look inside. You can get it at Amazon.com and other select stores. Don't forget to check out OnyxKids.com for all things Onyx Kids. We got videos, books, merch, and more.
Honest boys, just come up to me if you